So this machine will detect the weight of the cat before it entered and after it's entered. It is suitable for cats over 2 pounds or 3 months. Let's try it out and load some litter into the bucket. Take a look at the overall assembly. First of all, remove the curtain. It can be replaced by taking off these screws. Then the lid, which is connected through these 2 pins. And the barrel with 2 ball bearings on both sides. And this one on the left side, it has a large gear, which is connected to the gear over there. And that's the drawer part where you will get this plastic trash bag, power adapter, cable protectors, and user manual. Maybe you can pause and read these manuals. And that's the power adapter import. Let's install the trash bag. "12 volts, 1 amp." So that is 12 watts. According to the user manual, you're not supposed to place this thing against the wall to prevent any inaccurate measurement. I'm gonna power it on for the first time by pressing and hold for 2 seconds. And by the way, the operating instructions is printed on the yellow button. It is actually rotating a little bit. And it says it's trying to do the weight. And as I'm moving it, it's gonna be very inaccurate, and now it's resetting to 0 kilograms. If there's a kid on top, it will automatically stop the cleaning as a safety measure. It shows cleaning. It is rotating inside slowly. There's a 1 minute delay after the cat is done to avoid any accidents. So it's a safety feature. Let's wait for about a minute, then let's see this machine running, doing the cleaning. Be activated after 1 minute. Now it's running to clean up the litter box. Let's get a closer shot. Now that's the machine running right now. At this point, if a child climbs over or the cat enters the litter box again, it will stop as a safety feature.